everybody. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use, and this is my review of the Cyber minigun module. That's how I like to say it, but it's actually called the Cyber minigun Cyber module. So first, let's go on to the mobility. This gun has 65 mobility. It's a minigun and it has ammo restore. That's, if you don't know what ammo restore is, this is what ammo restore. If you see the bullets and now to 68, that means it'll increase itself until it goes to the max of it can of the ammo. So basically, when you're losing ammo, this is very good to use it. And this is a battle pass weapon, so you get it in the battle pass basically. Now let's go test it on some players. I'm just leaving the game because I want. Let's test this in deathmatch because I don't have to go through the hassle of who's my teammate and who's not my teammate. So let's go to classic pool. And today, for helping me test this, before this video we had, oh my god, what was that? It's okay, but I'm a chill play. Oh my god. Right now. But usually it's not in the best scenarios, but my opinion on this is pretty good. You know, I'm one of those normal players that don't like to spam a lot. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, so it's very hard in these type of maps. The downside are you have to charge. It takes time. It has to travel time. That means it's hard to play with. You have to charge it. You have to charge it exactly when you're starting the game, because that's when you start. Like, look, I have to start this video 5 to 10 seconds. I know it's annoying lobby. Okay, so that's it, everybody. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to support my channel and help me make more. Maybe after I finally reach to get the laser cycler, I'll give that a review too. And every gun else I get,